Welcome DEKWP, 小工 Abor. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like your smart devices are just fancy calculators? They see patterns, sure, but do they get it? That's the billion-dollar question. We're moving past raw number crunching, the era of GPUs and TPUs, into something smarter. The future isn't about more power, it's about understanding. Enter DIKWP, a whole new way for chips to think. So, what's this DIKWP magic? Think of it as AI's mental pyramid. You start with data, raw facts. Then, information, finding meaning, like recognizing a cat in a picture. Next, knowledge, building rules, like knowing cats have fur. Wisdom comes next, using that knowledge wisely, like deciding if a cat needs help. And finally, purpose, acting on that wisdom towards a goal. DIKWP isn't just theory. It's being built into hardware. Special units handle each step, NPU for info, graph engines for knowledge, and so on. The big win? We ditch the black box AI mystery and get a transparent, explainable system. No more guessing why the AI did what it did. How does this brainy chip actually work? It's a beautiful dance of parallel processing and smooth pipelines. Imagine an assembly line, but instead of cars, it's processing thoughts. Data flows through D to I to K to W to P, getting richer and smarter at each stage. To make things zippy, there's a semantic cache. Think of it as super-fast memory that remembers recent insights, like, oh, I've seen this pattern before. Plus, specialized modules handle tricky tasks like matching concepts or combining evidence. The result? Decisions that are not only fast, but also deeply reasoned and, crucially, understandable. Okay, so why should you care? Because DIKWP chips are game changers. First, the explainability edge. Unlike those opaque GPU models, every decision here is traceable. Why did it suggest this? Because the knowledge graph says X, and the wisdom layer chose Y, based on our goal Z. Crystal clear. Second, real-time power. These chips can run locally on edge devices, making smart decisions instantly, no waiting for the cloud. Third, market goldmine. Think healthcare diagnostics explaining its reasoning, robots truly understanding tasks, or even smarter cities. Compared to others, Cambricon and Ascend are great number crunchers, but they stumble on complex logic. NVIDIA, still largely a black box. DIKWP brings the why to the forefront. So, where does this take us? Everywhere. Smart cameras that don't just spot trouble, but understand the situation. Robots that grasp complex instructions, not just follow rigid scripts. Even digital humans in the metaverse that feel genuinely intelligent and consistent. This isn't just incremental improvement. It's a leap towards true cognitive intelligence in hardware. DIKWP chips are about giving AI a brain, not just brawn. That's the shift.